What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to replace the factory turn signal relay with a LED turn signal relay. If you watch our latest videos, you see that I installed a hot body turn signals and also a new Rage Fender delete kit. So if you don't know these, I got some red lint in my mouth from wiping my face down with a towel. But if you don't know, these turn signals are LED lights, so the stock relay makes them blink kind of fast. So we want it to blink normal, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that relay with a new one. These are from TST Industries, so let's see how that works. So stay tuned right after this. All right, guys, so what you see here is the relay LED flasher relay made by TST Industry, and that's for a 2017 to 2022, maybe 2023, depending on what kind of model they come out with next year. That relay will run you about $19.99, tax and shipping anywhere from $30 to $35. So let's get this going. The first thing we want to remove is these screws on both fairings on each side. There are some screws that we need to undo here that hold the seat in place so we can access our relay. So let's go ahead and start doing that. So let's remove this. I do got one hand. I am holding the camera. Gotta be very careful with this. That's one. Let's go ahead on the other side. Let me put the screw here. You pull down on this, yeah, and you see that? That's the way these things come. I kind of like split open. I don't know why this fairing came like that. I noticed that when I first took these apart, but you got to be very careful around here. You don't want to break your fairings, especially with one hand right now. So that's that one. Let's remove the seat. This is a quick install. Turn this fan off. This is a quick install. This is a quick install. It's one screw, and I gotta fix this. That's the other screw. The seat is removed. Let's look at the relay. This is definitely the relay right here. So you see that? Make sure you don't throw this out. This rubber mount. This rubber mount is to attach your relay in a sturdy place. But let's open this package up. That's the relay. You know what? I'm gonna do a before, after. Alright, so this is how fast these lights blink. We're gonna get these lights blinking to normal. Let me put the hazards. All right, so you see how fast these lights blink. So we're gonna remove these two cables. We're gonna go ahead and remove these two cables. Just like that. We're gonna take this off. That's a rubber mount off. Grab the new relay. This is the new relay. We're gonna go ahead and attach this rubber mount to the new relay. Into the relay and slide it in place at the mount location. Now let's try that. Now look at that. Perfect. They do work. Not blinking as fast as they used to. Before, these things were blinking rapidly. Some people like that, some people don't. It doesn't bother me. But what I did was, since I was buying this one, since I was buying this relay for this bike, I decided to buy a relay for that bike. On that bike, as you see, I'll talk about that in a later video. But I decided to ride the relay on that bike. I did buy one on Amazon. Hopefully that works, because you guys know how when you buy Amazon electronics, they usually don't. All right, so let me rephrase that. When you buy motorcycle electronics on Amazon, they're usually made in China and they don't work. They last you a week or two, maybe 3 weeks at most, and that's pushing it. So anyhow, the box said USA something, so I thought it was made in USA, and I ordered it. When I got it here, I realized it was made in China. So we're gonna try that relay. I'm not gonna install that now because I got a lot of work to be done on this bike, and that'll be a later video. So anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and put all this back together. Okay guys, as you see, it's all put back together. This was a very quick install. It took me about 5 minutes, to be honest with you. Let's turn on the bike and take another look. This is how fast these lights blink. Well, there you have it, guys. It is hot out there. Anyhow, as you see, I finished the install. It was like 5 minutes. You can do it Anybody can do it. It's so easy. A caveman can do it. But if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We got more content coming soon. Catch you in the next one. Peace.